Okay. So today we will discuss about the Dockerfile. Okay. So in our previous class, we have already uh, seen uh, way to create image. Okay. So there are three ways. Take image from the Docker hub. Okay. Take image from the Docker file. So in the second option, we will see take image from Docker file. So from the Docker file, how we will create a image today we will see. And third one is the create a image from the existing container. Okay. So today we will see the how to create a container from the Docker file. Okay. So let's understand what is a Docker file. Docker file is basically a text file. Okay, and it contains some set of instructions. Okay, instruction means how the means the when we will create a container from the Docker file, how it will execute. Okay, so these things is set in the Docker file as a instruction. Okay, so let's understand some basic Docker file command like from. Okay, so remember when we will go for the Docker file, when we will go for written any Docker file, the command like form, run, and maintainer, copy, add, all those things are in the capital letter. Okay, remember this thing. It should be in capital. So form, this is the form means the base image. This command must be on top of the Docker file. Okay, when we will start a Docker file, you must write the form because it's a base image. Okay, and on the base image we will add anything in that image. Okay, so then second is the run. To execute the command, it will create a layer in the image. Okay. So in Docker, when we will pull a image, it also download from layer wise. Okay. And when we will write a Docker file, it also when we will execute our own Docker file, it also execute by layer. Okay, the first layer means the down form download the our base image. Okay, then second layer, suppose it the run, which command it will run. Okay, these things. Then the maintainer, author. Okay, who is the owner of the Docker file, we can mention this. And the copy command, and many of the interviewer will ask you like what is the difference between copy and add command. Okay, the copy command is copy file from local system. Okay, we need to provide the source and destination. Copy command means we will we suppose we want to copy our any file to our image, then we will go for the copy command, means the from the local. Okay, from the local, suppose the file present in the local, then it will copy command is we will use. Then next is the add. So similar to the copy command. Okay, so similar, it's a similar is the copy command. It provides a feature to download the file from the internet. Okay, suppose in case your file is present in the internet. Okay, and the file is not present in your local system, then you will go for the add. Okay, and it will download from the internet and copy to our your image. And another thing is it will also suppose in your local machine a tar file is there. Okay, and when we will use for the add command, it's automatically on tar and copy to the image. Okay, and the expose to expose points such as port 8080 for Tomcat. Okay, so suppose you want to expose your port number. Okay, so suppose you want to run a Tomcat container. Okay, and you already know, like, the Tomcat is running in the default port is 8080. So you have to expose the port by the command of expose. Okay, then the work directory. So to set the work directory for a container, uh, it's, this command. Okay, you set the work directory, means where you want to execute your command, or execute your command. Okay, for that you will use the work directory. Then the cmd. Okay, so CMD and entry point also interviewer many time asks you. So let's CMD. Execute the command but during the container creation. Okay. So the CMD is executable command but when during the container creation, but entry point similar to CMD but has higher priority over CMD. First command will be executed by the entry point. Okay, so let's
Sorry, I can't understand. Is if I'm writing like Docker file, then first executed command like CMD. After that entry
CMD
mode.
means first we will execute and it will also overwrite. Okay, but entry point is like a powerful command. Okay, and it will not overwrite the command. We will see in this demo.
Yes,
Okay.
because before I also facing that question in interview. What is the
Okay.
difference between
Okay,
CMD
I
and
think
entry point?
you will clear when we'll do the demo. Huh? Just remember, CMD is a executable command and it can be override. Okay, but entry point is a powerful command. It cannot be override. Okay, it's a
Yeah.
high priority entry point.
Mainly which one first execution? If I mention in Docker file, which which one is first execute? SCMD or entry point?
See, it's actually depend upon your requirement. Okay, so fast is CMD is execute because it's during the during the container creation. Okay,
Okay.
suppose if it will check, suppose let it be like tree. Okay, you know tree, and
Yeah.
how to check the version, uh, tree hyphen hyphen version.
Yes.
Okay, so you give a write two things, entry CMD and entry point. Okay, and
Yeah.
if you will provide in the CMD, if you will provide tree, and in the entry point you will provide the hyphen hyphen version, then it will, when we will run the container, it will show the version of your tree. Okay,
Yeah.
so
In
you,
one Docker file, can you use both CMD and entry point?
yes. You can use to both. Okay, and then you conclude that first command is your CMD. We will see these things. Okay.
Okay.
So let's create a Docker file first. Okay. So this is my, okay, timeout. Just wait. I have already installed the Docker. Okay. Let me log in again. Okay. Then check the sudo Docker. Sorry, Docker hyphen hyphen version. Okay, so Docker is already installed. So what we will do first, we have to create, means write a Docker file. Okay, so how we will write a Docker file? Let me sudo su. Okay, okay. So how we will write a Docker file. So the command is vi, and the file name is Docker. Docker and file. Okay, in the Docker the D is always capital. Okay, and the Docker and the file, the file is always there is no gap. Okay, in there is no gap Docker and between the Docker file. Okay, and there is no extension also. Remember these things. Okay, it's a default one. Press enter. Okay, and we have to first write the what, the base image from. Okay, so it's actually many of the interviewer also asks you just open your terminal text editor. Okay, and write a Docker file. So first you have to write a Docker file starting with from, and the from is should be in a capital letter. Okay, from. Okay, it should be capital letter, otherwise interfere maybe no, actually you don't have written any Docker file. Okay, so from, and base image. Okay, base image like let me uh, where we will get the base image from the Docker hub. Okay, from the Docker hub we can take the base image. Okay, so just wait, go to the Docker hub. Let me use the which image? Suppose let me use the Ubuntu image. You can search here Ubuntu. Okay, you can see this image Ubuntu. It's an official image. Okay, just copy these things Ubuntu and paste it here. Okay, and the suppose let it be the work directory. Okay, so work directory, suppose let it be temp. In the temp folder, this is the work directory. Okay, and do some run command. Okay, suppose I am using the run, and in this run command, suppose I will use mkdir and power cloud. Okay, so run command also we will use to create a what, to create a folder. Okay, to create a folder. So let's first do these things, and okay, see, first is let me explain everything. First command is from. Okay, like Ubuntu, it will take the base image Ubuntu, and the work directory is the temp. Okay, and means work directory temp means in the Ubuntu there is a folder temp, and the run command, it will create a, by the run command it will create a folder where in the work directory, because we have already mentioned the work directory is temp. Okay, and for that we don't require to mention the path for to create a folder. It's automatically create a folder in the temp directory, because we have already mentioned the work directory as a
Inside Power Cloud, sorry, inside folder, create Power Cloud folder again.
yes, yes. No, 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 no. See, Ubuntu. Okay. In the Ubuntu OS, there is a temp folder. You know this thing.
Yeah.
Okay. So I have just said the this is the working directory. Means in that directory we will do some operation. We will do some functionality change, everything. like we just create a run command. By the run command we will create a where a folder like power cloud. Okay, so here is a question, where it will create the power cloud is where it will create. We don't give any path. Okay.
Yeah.
Eh, but in the above layer we have mentioned like a temp is a working directory. Understood?
Okay.
Temp
Yeah.
is a working directory, means it will automatically take the temp and it will create the power cloud folder in the temp folder. Okay, so let me sorry, let me save this file. Okay, and build the docker image. Okay, so let me check, is there any image? Docker images, and there is no images. Okay, and remember, interviewer many times asks you how to build image. Okay, so the command is docker, okay, build, docker build hyphen t, it's a tag, and I give an image name. Suppose I am giving my image. Okay, I am giving my image, and space and dot means it is
Correct.
current folder. Okay, in our current folder our docker file is present. Okay, suppose let me if I will do ls hyphen help, there is a docker file present, and if I will tag this docker file, you can see I have just written these things. Okay, so let me build the image, docker build hyphen t, and let me my image and space dot. Don't forget to mention the dot. Okay, and press enter. Okay, so it will say like there is no image, uh, and it will download. Okay, so there is no image present in the local, so it will download from the docker hub. Okay, pull from library. And what it will do, you can see it's actually execute in the layer wise. So first step is it's from. Okay, and second is the set the work directory, and third is make a directory name as power cloud, and it will successfully build. Okay, with the tag number is latest. If I will do docker image images, you can see there are two images, means the base image it will download from the docker hub. Okay, it stores in the local, and the I have created a image named as my image. Okay, so let's create a what create a docker container from that image. Okay, so let me create docker uh, docker run hyphen d. Okay, and hyphen name my container. Okay, hyphen d, and give a okay, everything is fine, just give the my image present. Let me check
Port number you not.
okay,
No need port
port number is
number.
not required, leave it. Okay, so container is running. Let me check the container is running or not. I think the container, okay, is not running. Okay, so here is the container is not running. So let me uh,
Why that not? Why not
because
container running? Because
it's actually the ubuntu container. Okay, so ubuntu container is not running like we have to set the actually it's a ways, understood. It's a ways.
Okay.
Suppose if you will go for the nginx, then it will running. Tomcat, it will running. So ubuntu
Okay. Any web server or application if you
application will
create
run,
means is running.
but there is a
But
way to run the ubuntu container. Okay, let's check how we will uh, run the ubuntu container. Let me delete first this container.
if any operating system create container, it's not running
Yes, yes,
like
yes.
like
But there is a way. There is a way we can run the container. Okay. Let me go to remove and the container ID and let's go. Okay, it's the remove. Okay, and so here we will do like this is the container. Okay, in this command we can create a container, but here we will do like sleep and include. Okay, means it will not stop the container. Okay, let me do, and if I will do docker yes, you can see our container is running and the command is sleep. Okay, it will not stop the container because it's a OS. Okay, there is no application is running, so that's why it will automatically stop. So let me go inside the container and check the run command is execute or not. So the command is docker execute hyphen 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 it. Okay, and the container id slash bin slash slash. Okay, and you can see directly
yes,
uh,
camp folder.
in the temporal because the work directory is hello,
Yeah.
the work directory is temp. Okay,
Yes.
so that's why it's automatically take to the temp folder. Okay, if I will do ls hyphen l, you can see the power cloud is created automatically. Okay, if I will do let's back and do ls hyphen l, there is the everything is there like opt folder is there. Okay, win folder is there, home etc, everything is there. Okay, and we will go to the temp. The temp folder is not there. Where is the temp folder? If I will go to root and if I will do ls hyphen l, cd slash emp temp. Okay, and that this folder our power cloud is present. Okay, I think you clear the command like the working directory and run command. Okay,
Okay.
okay, let's go to the copy command. Okay, so let's go to the copy command. uh, Let me exit out from it. Okay, and okay, and docker yes, and remote sudo not docker sudo docker remote series. Okay, start and also remove the image also. Docker images. Okay, copy this image id and sudo remove the image. Okay, sorry, not sudo docker. Okay, so image also deleted, and we will use vi docker. Okay, let me create a folder first. Suppose file. Suppose I am writing vi text test test.txt. Okay, and something uh, dot and save it. Okay, and let me provide the path. Okay, not record it. Okay, no, just remember the this file name and paste it here. Okay, and just go to the our uh, Docker file, and here let me edit. Now we will not use the Docker like work directory. Here we will use the like run nahi, copy copy from where, from the local directory. Okay, and the file name, this is the file name. Okay, and space, and the container path is slash 10. Let it be 10. Okay, understood this thing?
Yeah.
Means like first is the dot, means it will take from the current directory. Okay, and in the current directory there is a
Well,
file is
yes.
present, test.txt file is present, and it will copied where, to the, when we will run the container, it will copy to the temp folder. Okay, so save this one, and first build the image. First we have to build the image, uh, build the image. Okay, so image is successfully built, and now uh, execute uh, to run a container. Okay, so okay, now our container is running. If I will do docker ps, you can see our container is running, and go inside the container by the exit command. Okay, and copy the container id and paste it here, press enter. You can see this time we have not set the work directory, so it will directly where, in the our uh, bin folder, etc, this folder home, it will directly land into pwd, if I will do is the root folder. Okay, so where we will create a copy the uh, text file, temp folder, cd temp. Okay, and if I will do ls -l, you can see our file is there. And if I will do cat paste cat center, you can see the power cloud also, same thing, it will in the container also. Okay, so let's do the art first. We will finish the copy, then do the art. Let me again remove the container, docker, remove post filling. Okay, and also delete the image also. Docker images id and docker. Okay, so image also delete. Okay. uh, okay, you can see I have written 2 layer, that's why it also deleted 2 layer. Okay, this time I have written 3 layer. You can see automatically when we will use the docker image to delete. Okay, it will delete the 3 layer. So remember the docker is working like a layer. It will download the image like layer wise, okay, and it will also delete from the layer wise, okay. It will work in a layer way. So what we will do, we will do like let me copy this thing, okay. So and can you tell me what actually I am doing here? Just tar these things to our, I have already the text file, okay. I have already the
Yeah.
text file, and we are just tar and name as archive dot tx dot tar dot uh, gf, okay. If I will do enter, it's a, and if I will do ls hyphen l, there is a
Okay.
archive dot tar dot uh, gj. Gz means the, it's what, it's a zip
Zip
file,
file.
okay. I think
Yes.
you understood these things.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, tar hyphen cz vf, okay, and it is the name, means whatever you want to give a name, it automatically tar to this and take the this file, okay. That this file is present here and it will tar this thing, okay. And now what we will do, we will just use the add command, okay, and copy the this archive.tar.gz, okay, and we will see that it automatically untar and uh, copy just the text file, okay. So let me do the vi docker file, okay, instead of just remove this one and go back to file, okay, and go to temp directory, and instead of copy, just write the add, okay, and save it, okay, and create a image, okay, build the image, okay. It's successfully built. Let's create a container, okay. So our container is running. Let's check docker, yes, okay, our container is running. So go inside the container by the exit command, just copy the container id and just put here, remove the old container id, paste it here, place it, okay. And where I am now, okay, and go to the cd tent. If I will do a second L, you can see it's on tab, and cat, okay, you can see, you got it now. What is actually different? Hello.
Yeah. Yeah.
Means in the local machine, okay, in the local machine, what actually we provide, we just provide like this file, okay.
Okay.
We just
Yeah.
provide the this file path, archive.tar means it actually unarchive and give the folder, give the file, okay. By add command also we can uh, what we can unarchive our file if it is required, okay. Got it? Or any doubt? Add and copy now.
No.
Okay, so uh, so add and copy is complete, okay. So let's go to the cmd, okay, cmd and entry point. So let me delete the container, docker, yes, and copy this thing, and let's go to uh, here Dockerfile and here what we will do, let me run. Okay, and apt install tree second one. Okay, this is the command I think to install the tree. Okay, and let's do like mm, okay, and point. First let me do the CMD. CMD tree. Okay, and uh, in the entry point point hyphen hyphen okay, fine, and save it. Okay, and now build the events. Hyphen apt. Okay, so the command to install tree.
Please
Okay,
write
there
the
is
program.
a spelling mistake. Okay, let me correct the spelling. Start first. Start. Now it's correct, I think.
I think single L, na?
Just remove the spelling. Restart. Okay, let me delete this one. Remove this first. Okay, and paste it here. Okay, and let me write like entrypoint. Hyphen hyphen entry. Now let's update and install the tree. Okay, start. What is the install? installed Docker image is successfully verified. Okay, let's create a container. Let's see what is happening. Instead of detach mode, zip file. Okay, path. Okay, let me first delete the container container is automatically taken care of. Docker ls delete this code cd new commit. Okay, and sudo docker again let's create a docker file. Save this one. You can build it. Okay, let's check the on the container. Okay, you can see the version of 3. Hello.
Yeah,
Okay, so you can see the version of 3. So what in the hello, please mute.
yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes. So if you go to the Docker file, okay, so first command is entry point, then it will execute the cmd command. Okay, tree, and second is uh, actually our version. I think clear which command will execute first. Okay,
Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Okay. So I think you clear which command is execute here first, the entry point or the CMD. First is the entry point. It's a very powerful command. First it will execute, then the CMD command will execute. You clear now?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. You can see. Otherwise, it will not show the what? It will not show the our uh, uh, tree version. You can see this is the tree version. Okay, if I will do cat and docker file, you can see first entry point, it will take the tree and take the hyphen hyphen version, then it will give the result here.
Okay.
Okay, so remember, first execute the entry point, then CMD will execute. Okay, so let's do more about the CMD and entry point. So let me delete the container. Docker Docker ps hyphen a. Mm, and also delete the container. Okay, it's deleted. So now what we will do, we will do like we will do the delete Docker. Okay,
Wow.
delete this one. Mhm. Delete. I'm just writing here cmd echo. Let me give anything like ps1. Okay, power cloud 1. This is the power cloud 1. Okay, and save it. Okay, and build the image. Like, let me build like image. Let me version 1. Let it be version 1. Let me do this. Okay, the image is successfully built. Okay, let me again build this image. Hmm, okay, instead of CMD, let me do entry point. Okay, and save it. Again build the image like version. Okay, and if I will do docker images, there are two images. So let me run the container. Mm, okay, like v1. Okay, uh, echo echo log. Okay, you can see it's replaced. Okay, if I will normally run the command in instead of just run command, okay, it will write Dockerfile version, not what. But if I will write here, suppose uh, echo and hyphen a. Okay, first delete this because it's going like already running. Docker remove. Okay, sorry. Okay, so if I will do this command entry echo command echo command. Okay, let me select remove the okay. Let me again, you can just see it will overwrite, but if I will do version 2, okay, and echo power cloud, okay, it will not doing like this because it's a entry point. Okay, let me check the Docker file. Okay, so here I have do one mistake like syntax error. Okay, so let me remove this. Okay, so I have a double quote. Okay, double quote just missed out. Okay, so save this one and remove the image also first. Docker images. I will do and remove this image. Docker remove image ID. Okay, let me remove one by one. Okay, I think the container is running, that's why the image is used. ps-a docker remove portfolio. Okay, now do this. Docker docker images. Okay, now it's deleted. Okay, so let me create the container. Sorry, first create build a image like version. No, this is the build. Where is the build image version? Build image version 2. Let me. Okay, it's created version 2. Let me create like. Okay, again go to the Docker file. Okay, and instead of entry point, let me write. Let me write here like CMD. Okay, and give me one. Save this one and again build like version 1. Okay, if I will do docker images. Okay, there are two images. Let me build run the container from image. Okay, okay. It name my container. Let me my container and version 1. Okay, and when I will press enter, okay, we can see it will give the PC1. And when again, let me do like here I'm giving the container name 1, and if I will do echo power cloud, okay, press enter. Okay, you can see also this is replace means the container, means the version 1 is contain the cmd command, so cmd command is override. Okay, remember cmd command is override. But when we will run the container with the version uh, 2, okay, version 2 image, and let me remove this thing and press enter, you can see it's showing the pc2. But when we will use echo and power cloud, okay, press enter. Okay, I think spelling mistake. 3, okay, container 3, copy this thing and paste it here, press enter. Okay, you can see it cannot be override, it just written like pc2 is there. Okay, and echo power cloud. Okay, so this is the mainly basic command, basic difference between the cmd and entry point. And in this way you can explain your interviewer also. So today for this, today class is finished, and next class we will go for the Dockerfile. Hello, hello.
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
You understood now this thing?
Yes, yes.
This is a simple thing. You can see here, when I will execute this command with the v1 version. V1 version means I have used in v1 version cmd. Okay, in cmd
Okay.
it will show pc1. Okay, and when I will use this one, okay, echo power cloud, and it will replaced. Okay, you can see it will replace to the pc1, it will replace to power cloud. Okay, and when I will used the second version means the entry point version, it will show the entry point echo command, it will show the echo command. Okay, but when I will again want to replace this pc2, okay, then it will not replaced, pc2 also present and this command is also present. Okay, so this is the basic things about the cmd and entry point. Remember the simple thing, entry point can be replaced, means entry point can be override, but sorry, uh, cmd, okay, cmd can be override, but entry point cannot be override. Okay, so
Uh,
that's all about today's class. Next class we will see the volume, Docker volume.